everyone, this is Tom from Adventures at Home. Welcome back. So today we're going to be going back into the woods to try to find some more logs to buck up. So if you've been watching the channel, what we've been doing recently is trying to restock the wood yard. So our inventory is pretty depleted. So I've been going back just about every day to try to find some more logs to buck up and rebuild the inventory. So let me show you what I have so far. Okay, so what I have here is some ash that I've been able to split from some logs in the woods. So it's not much here. This is maybe a quarter of a face cord. And this is basically the scrap. And here's what I have to split so far. It's not a lot. So in the foreground here I have some cherry. That's some ash. Some of that may not be good enough to keep. In the background there I have some maple. And I have some more ash here. We have some, yeah, so we have some warmer temperatures today. It's in the mid-30s. I think it's around 36 today. So you all know what happens when you get warmer temperatures, you get mud. So let me show you. Yeah, so guys, it's a lot warmer today, and it's 36 degrees, and unfortunately, that gives us a lot of mud here. So what I try to do is put these wood chips down, and that helps. But I just don't have a good enough base of these wood chips, and it just gets really muddy. So you can see the wood yard is very muddy at this point. Okay guys, so I still have this one round over here. This is a piece of ash. This was part of that 15-foot long ash log. So this, I'm going to pull this out of here and take this back to the wood yard. So guys, one of the things I do on the larger rounds, like the one I have here, this is about a 20-inch round. I use my split saw to split this up, basically split away small sections of it so I can pick it up and put it in the Ranger just to save my back. So if you haven't seen that, I'll do a little shot of that right now. So guys, this is the split saw log splitter. This is made in America, and this is a 30-pound slide hammer. It has a wedge on the bottom, as you can see, and this is what I've been using to break down my big rounds that are just too big to pick up. So I'll show you how this works. So basically, I just put it near the edge, maybe 2 inches from the edge of the round, and it'll take that off pretty easily. Anyway, let's see what else we can find out here. Okay guys, here's a maple tree that fell over last fall. Here's the top of it. And I started bucking this one up. And I think what I'm going to do today is get some more out of this one. This is the very back of the property. You can see there's a big valley over there. At the very back of the property. Oh man. Okay guys, now I can see why this tree fell down. You can see the whole center of this thing is rotted out. Didn't expect that. I really didn't expect that. So, wow. That's why it fell. Here, let me show you. So, there it is there. So this tree broke off and fell over here. So it's pretty much rotted out. Alright guys, so I'm going to go ahead and work my way up to the top of the tree now. So this part looks fine. So I'm going to go ahead and work my way in this direction. Hey guys, hopefully you can hear me okay. My microphone broke. The way this microphone works is part of it plugs into the iPhone, and my tripod fell over and it kind of bent the microphone. So anyway, I hope you can hear me. So anyway, wanted to show you what I was able to buck up here with this maple. All right guys, so here it is. I got quite a few rounds out of this. I'm pretty happy with the battery life on the Ego. So let me just kind of pan over. This is some really nice wood, except when it gets to towards the base, you can see it's hollowed out. But even so, I mean, there's a lot of good wood. The outer 4 inches or so looks good, so that could still be used as firewood. So anyway, I'm going to load this up into the Ranger and take it up to the wood yard.